Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to hide your mobile app from your iPhone device, right? So actually we are going to use this X to do it, the X Twitter. As you can see, it's on my home screen here, and we are going to hide it right now. So all you do is you long press on it and you will select require face ID. Then you click on hide and require face ID. Then you confirm face ID and you click on hide. Now, as you can see, it has disappeared here, right? So what it means that you've hide it. So for you to unhide it now, please, if this is the first time you're coming to this channel or you've not subscribed, please do it to support me. Give me a subscribe, like and share, as we are here to bring you more updates that will help you to navigate your mobile devices and the online spaces, right? So you will just go to this section. As you can see, the hidden here, you tap on hidden and you confirm your face ID. You open it and you long press on it. So you now long press and you click on don't require face ID, right? As you can see, it has been unhide, right? So let's go and see it. As you can see, it's out here already, right? So I can just add it to my desktop, long press and click on add to home screen, and boom, as you can see, it's back here, right? So this is how to hide and unhide your app in your mobile devices. Please subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.